Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to choose the perfect tattoo artist. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced tattoo enthusiast, finding the right artist is crucial for ensuring your tattoo is exactly how you envisioned it. Let's dive in. A tattoo is a lifelong commitment, making the selection of your tattoo artist one of the most important decisions in the process. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know to make an informed choice, from understanding different tattoo styles to reviewing portfolios and selecting the right studio. The first step in your journey is to define what you want. Different styles require specific skills from the artist. Let's take a look at a few popular styles, including realism, old school, Japanese, and minimalist tattoos. Size and placement are key considerations. Large tattoos need careful planning and an artist experienced in large compositions. For smaller, detailed tattoos, precision is essential. Your tattoo's meaning is personal, and finding an artist who can translate that meaning into art is vital. This could be anything from a cherished memory to a significant symbol. A tattoo artist's portfolio is their resume. Look for clear lines, even color distribution, and a variety of work. Don't forget to note their progress over time. It shows their growth and commitment to the craft. Reviews and recommendations can tell you a lot about an artist's professionalism and customer service. Look for both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced view. A visit to the studio lets you assess the cleanliness, equipment, and atmosphere. It should feel welcoming and hygienic. Your comfort is crucial. Meeting the artist is your chance to discuss your ideas and assess their expertise. Ask about their experience, specialization, and work process, and ensure you're comfortable with their communication style. Experience matters. The more years an artist has been practicing, the better equipped they are to handle various challenges. Safety first. Ensure the artist follows strict sanitary practices, using sterile equipment and disposable materials. A great artist listens and collaborates. They should respect your vision while offering their creative insights. Preparation is key to a smooth session. Rest well, eat properly, and wear comfortable clothing. Aftercare ensures your tattoo heals beautifully. Follow the artist's guidelines closely, from cleaning to moisturizing. Sometimes a touch-up is needed. Discuss correction policies with your artist beforehand. Choosing the right tattoo artist takes time and careful consideration, but the result is a piece of art you'll cherish for life. Thanks for watching, and remember, your tattoo is not just an adornment, it's a part of you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be on the lookout for their perfect tattoo artist.